Streaming services. Which ones have you had? Which one do you prefer? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm glad you're here. For the new people, I'm glad you came. If you've been following my channel, or if you've looked at older videos, if you haven't been here before, you've seen all the different streaming services that I've tried. I've used Amazon Music, Amazon Unlimited. I liked it at first until somebody told me about Tidal. I jumped on Tidal. Loved Tidal. Love Tidal. But if you look at my older video, I'll link it. I had some issues with Tidal, did an update, and then all of a sudden it was just distorting really badly. And I'm not going to badmouth Tidal because Tidal's really good. It sounds really great. But somebody told me about Qobuz. I think that's how it's pronounced, Qobuz. If you look online, a lot of people say Qobuz is better than Tidal, even if marginally it's better. Well, I decided to download Qobuz, give it a trial and see. And this is my first time using it, first reaction. This is not staged. This is not set up. I'll say this. I sat in my car for a hot second and was just going to listen. And then I thought, I got to make a video about this because I can actually hear the difference. And I'm wondering if you guys will be able to notice the difference. Now, again, I'll say the difference is, I won't say minuscule, but, marginal. I can tell, and I want to make sure it's not my ears tricking me into believing that Qobuz is better because people say it's better. But I think that Qobuz, as far as mids and highs go, they're about the same. But as far as mid bass goes, I've noticed that it's a little bit smoother, a little bit. I mean, it's not night and day. But again, if you're chasing that ultimate perfection, that ultimate sound quality like we do, we want that little bit of that, that minor gain, that minuscule gain. Every little bit, every part that we add to our system, every build that we do is to get better and better. And now, if this streaming service is better, why wouldn't I? Only reason why I wouldn't, actually two reasons why I wouldn't so far. I'm still new to the platform. I downloaded it last night. I'm trying it for the first time right now. One, it's more expensive than Tidal, but I mean, I guess, as you get better, things cost more. It's just part of the game. It's, I guess it's a little bit of confusion on the website because it says for the studio service, which is their base service, it's supposed to be $12.95 a month. But when you download it on your device, my File M11S, it's $15.29 a month. Tidal, I'm using the basic Tidal, $10.99 a month, or $10 a month rather. So it's a $5 increase. That's one thing that I'm not too crazy about, but it's $5. If all I got to do is pay $5 to get it better, to get better sound, I'm paying $5. And the second thing is, it's not, I won't say it's not, I'm not going to say it's hard to use, but it's not as smooth to use as Tidal. Simple example is in my Tidal playlist, I can hit the search button, pick the song that I want to hear and not have to scroll through everything. And I can also make a custom view where it can either be the first song that I downloaded or the last song that I downloaded. I can flip-flop the playlist how I want it. Qobuz doesn't have that feature, or at least I haven't found it. But either way, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to play one song, maybe two, one song, just so you guys can hear the difference. And I'm not going to, no, I mean, because I'm going to show you that I'm playing it. Well, I don't know if I should not show you. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play it first without showing you guys which one is which, so you can tell me if you can tell the difference between the mid bass that I'm hearing. If it's better through one or the other, I'll A and B it. You let me know what you think, and then I'll play it again and show which one is which, so you guys can see, and that way you're not being coerced into thinking one is better, So here we go. Okay, Tidal is player A and Qobuz is player B. So here's Tidal.
When you grab a hold of me, you tell me that I'll never be set free. But I'm a parasite. Creep and crawl, I step into the night.
Qobuz, player B.
When you grab a hold of me, you tell me that I'll never be set free. But I'm a parasite. Creep and crawl, I step into the night. 2 pints of booze. Tell me, are you a bad fish too? Are you a bad fish too? Ain't got no money to spend. Out in the night will never end. Lord knows I'm weak. Want somebody get me off of this ring. Baby, you're a big whale. Grab the reef when all the diving fails. I swim, but I wish I'd never learned. The water's too polluted with germs.
So, were you guys able to hear the difference? Or is it just me? I heard a difference, man. I've been sitting here for a minute, even before I started this video, and I heard a difference. Like I said, it's not like night and day, but there is a increase in fidelity, increase in sound quality, increase in woofer dampening or woofer damping, so what do you guys think? What's up, y'all? I'm actually driving home to edit this video. Yeah, I'm sold. I am sold. Qobuz is it. I just paid my Tidal subscription, so after this month, I'll go ahead and cancel it. Tidal's great. It's awesome, especially for the artists. But overall, Qobuz is just smoother, man. Even the mids and highs. At first, I thought it was mostly just the mid bass, but no, it's everything. Everything. The interface, I'm not the biggest fan, but once I get to learn it and use it, then I'll be a fan of it, I'm sure. But I just want to let you guys know, to close this video out right without leaving you guys wondering what I thought. Yeah, man, it's legit. Yeah, I'm definitely 100% sold on Qobuz. Tidal was good. Amazon Music was okay, but yeah, Qobuz is it. So this is an alternate ending. Initially, I was going to say I'm 100% sold on Qobuz over Tidal. I find the Qobuz user interface a little, I don't want to say difficult, because it's not difficult, but it's just not as user friendly, as easy to navigate as Tidal is. Is the sound quality better in Qobuz? I absolutely think so. Is it night and day? Not night and day, but I find it to be smoother, more controlled on the mid bass, smoother on the mids and highs. But Tidal is still great, and Tidal's doing updates. From what I read online, the major differences between Tidal and Qobuz in sound quality is Tidal has MQA, which people don't like for some reason, and Qobuz has FLAC. Well, Tidal has since upgraded. It's been a while now since upgraded to FLAC files as well. So even though they both share FLAC files or use FLAC files, Tidal is still muddier, and I say that so loosely, muddier than Qobuz, but I'm still on the fence, man. I'm still deciding. Maybe it's early. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, matter of fact, at the time that I'm filming this. I'm about to go watch the Super Bowl right now, but by the time this video releases, hopefully I would have made a decision, but I wanted to give you guys an update on how I'm feeling after a few days of trying it out. So I'll keep you posted in another video, or I might add another alternate ending to this particular video, so stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, this is the final ending. I finally got it right. I figured it out. I played with Qobuz enough to get familiar with the interface. It's not as smooth or as readily easy as Tidal, but I figured out how to search for my favorite songs and filter out songs and put things where I want them, and it's working for me. And like I said, it definitely sounds better, smoother, than Tidal to me, even if just a little bit. That's what we do this for, to get the best sound every single time, right? To upgrade every single time. So my latest and greatest upgrade is going from Tidal to Qobuz, and I'm going to stick with it. It's $5 extra a month, $5 for that much better sound. I think it's a win. So definitely stay tuned for more videos with hopefully better sound that you guys can hear. I can hear it. Hopefully you guys can too. Okay, so I've been going back and forth like crazy. It's been about 3 weeks, and this is my final conclusion. I decided to delete Qobuz. I canceled my free trial, and here's the reasons why. It's, I'd say, okay, 3 reasons why. One, is the quality better than Tidal? Yes, but marginally. I mean, marginally. Yeah, of course, we want to get the best out of our system, get the best fidelity possible, but the difference in sound quality is not so much to where I'm willing to pay for an additional $5 or $6 a month. That's my reason number 2. For the marginal increase in sound quality, it's not worth the extra cost. Well, 2A, even though I did figure out how to navigate the platform, it's still not as smooth and user-friendly as Tidal. And my 4th reason is Tidal doesn't have the library that, Qobuz doesn't have the library that Tidal has. A lot of songs that I transferred from Tidal over to Qobuz all of a sudden became unavailable. So can't have that. You know, even when I search for them in lower quality, different qualities, nah, man, I like the songs that I had on Tidal. Tidal doesn't have every single song, but I don't think any platform has every single song. But for the price and the quality and the user friendliness that Tidal offers, I decided to stick with them and not go with Qobuz. But if you decide to go with Qobuz over Tidal, you're not going to miss anything other than what I may have mentioned. But if you started with Qobuz before Tidal, you wouldn't notice, and you probably like their platform. I like Tidal's a little bit better, so I'm going to stick with Tidal. I bounce back and forth, but I mean, don't we all? That's what we do, right? We try it, we like it, then we realize maybe not so much, or maybe we do. I don't. So until next time, you guys, stay tuned. Hey, let me know if you rock with Qobuz over Tidal or Tidal over Qobuz. Let me know, and let me know why. And hopefully our reasons are in line. All right. Till next time, again, stay tuned.